Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, and today we're gonna review the Nissan Maxima drift car number 4 out of 10 from Hot Wheels J Imports, number 47 or 2 out of 50. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is from the B case of 2022, and as you can see, this is now in this beautiful red. And as you can see, this car, well, obviously it's in red, and you might remember the Nissan Patrol Custom that will also be coming in red soon. So I'm not sure when yet, but they said that it will be coming in red as well, but I'm not 100% confirmed. But yeah, this is the Nissan Maxima drift car, now in a different livery. Like previously, we got it in a module type of design, more of like a drift machine type of design and whatnot. And this one is more of like a Japanese type of drift car, I guess. I'm not sure. Let's take a look here. So it's more of like this reddish maroon and a bit of pink. And as you can see at the back, the rear fender, you have a star shape, and then you have one line, which one line, and then you have these type of wheels, which are the new wheels that are used for the JDM cars, and now this one is colored in chrome. So previously it was done in more of like a dark gray, and this time it is already in chrome, which looks pretty great. It has a Nissan right there and Hot Wheels. I'm not sure what is that, but it says something in Japanese there, but I'm not sure what it is. The interior of the car is basically chrome silver, which looks pretty nice. The windows are a bit tinted, but you can still see the inside of the car. And extended front bumper here, but this time it doesn't say Nissan at the bottom. The front bumper is chrome, similar to the interior. No headlights, no grille details, sadly, but you can see the hood right there. You can see the inside of the hood right there. Yeah, but it's covered with this plastic see-through plastic right here, connected to the windshield. Moving on to the back, you have no rear lights, no license plate, and basically no rear bumper. You have a ducktail, a bit of a ducktail on the roof. You have some more striping on the roof, but this time a bit different. You have two, one big, one small, and then you have a Japanese writing right there. I'm not sure what it is. And then you have a tiny sunroof. I don't know what's why would they put the sunroof in the first place? I mean, like, it's so small. It's smaller than the normal cars, but well, it's a sunroof, so you cannot do anything with that. Well, let's see. Nissan Maxima drift car, made in Malaysia, 2021 model. So there you go, that is my review of the Nissan Maxima drift car in this reddish maroon pink. And overall, great looking car. I would rather take the module one than this. I think the module Nissan Maxima drift car would be much nicer compared to this. Like, that one is more of like a tan-ish color, and it has like more sponsors. This one, on the other hand, more of like a Japanese themed type of wagon. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think about this car. To me, I don't really recommend it. I'd recommend the module version more than this. But yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.